Hello, welcome to my unboxing video. Just got another package from Best Buy tonight. Hoping to unbox it with you. So what I got is the Hobbit trilogy, Steelbook, just like with the Lord of the Rings video I did last time. And I'm going to unbox it now. Here's the spine. And so now we come to the part where I show you the steelbooks themselves. Here's the first film, An Unexpected Journey. Here's the front. I really like that front cover. And then here's the back. Spine. Here's the theatrical version. And then you have the superior extended version in the back. And that's supposed to be the scene that takes place inside the Misty Mountains, if you've seen that movie. Okay. And then we have Desolation of Smaug. Really nice artwork. Dragon. And here's the back. God, these look gorgeous. Spine. Loose disc. Here's the extended version. And then the theatrical version. Let's put this back here. And then I think that's supposed to be the scene with the dragon, I think. Can't really tell. Maybe someone else will know. Okay. Then we come to the final film in the trilogy, The Battle of the Five Armies. And of course the artwork looks gorgeous here too. Here's the back. There's the spine. You have the extended version in the front and the theatrical version in the back. And then you got image of the dwarves. And then on the top of the box here, you have the artwork. Same with the back here. And this one isn't all dinged up like the last one was. I think I'd like to find a way to get a replacement outer box for the Lord of the Rings trilogy, because that one was dinged up pretty badly. Almost makes it so that I can't stand it up properly. Well, anyway, that was my unboxing video for the Hobbit trilogy on Steelbook from Best Buy, and hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.